Okay, I had the bright idea to follow this cruise ship. I believe it's a Royal Caribbean cruise ship. And I was wondering, did they have passengers on there, or were they just testing the cruise ships out? Because I believe that there are no cruises being held right now. So I wanted to go out there and try to catch up to the cruise ship. And from my location, it didn't look like it was that far out. But once it got out there, the drone, it was very far out. So I tried to catch it. I even put it in sport mode to try to catch it faster, but my battery was on 60% to begin with. And by putting it in sport mode, it made the battery even run out faster. So as you see here in a few moments, I will be turning back around because I didn't want to risk the drone falling from the sky into the water, and at that point it won't be retrievable at all. So here I am, I'm turning back around because my battery is at about 30% right now. So I'm trying to hurry up and make it back to the beach. So in a few seconds, I'm going to cut from recording it because I figured that it will save a few moments of battery life so I can get back to my location even faster. So I'm gonna cut it and then I'm gonna pick it back up as I get closer to the hotel. So I'm on the top roof of the hotel, the penthouse suite. There I am to the left, and probably 20-30 feet out, the drone just starts acting crazy. I lost control of it and it falls into a tree, on the top branch of a tree. I still had about 15% battery life left, so it didn't die, but somehow it lost control. I don't know if it got zapped out the sky by some radar or something or what, but yeah, it ended up in a tree. So luckily, my father-in-law was there. I had help to try to retrieve it out of a tree, and it took us about 15 minutes to find it. If you didn't know, the MAVIC Air 2 does have like a beeping and flashing alarm, so if it is lost, you can find it and you can hear it. So we end up finding it that way. And yeah, luckily I paid for insurance, so I paid $69. I paid $69 through PayPal, and hopefully I will be getting a new drone pretty soon.